assess your cardio. All right, you comfortable? All right, going to palpate first for your second right intercostal space for your aortic. Good, and then I'm going to move straight across to the left second intercostal space for the pulmonic. And then third intercostal space. Good, also known as Ebb's point. And then I'm going to lift your bra for a second, and I'm going to do your fourth intercostal space. So the tricuspid. Good. And then the last one is the fifth intercostal space, and that would be your mitral. Good. And then the precordium of your heart. I'm going to palpate it here in the left sternal border. And while I'm doing this, I'm also assessing your chest for symmetry, color. Everything looks good. I don't see any scars, masses. I didn't feel anything while I was palpating. I'm going to go ahead and listen to your heart. And this is a cardiac stethoscope. So when I put it down lightly on one point, it's going to be using the diaphragm.